Welcome back, Science City planners, to Decoding Long COVID, Dexamethasone, and Beyond. I'm Dr. Shikha Agrawal, your guide navigating the bustling metropolis of this condition. After tailoring dexamethasone's fit last time, I'm eager to explore the gut as long COVID's vibrant hub where immunity and microbes intersect in today's episode on dexamethasone and gut immune interactions. As someone who has mapped the molecular streets of Leishmania helicases, I'm fascinated by how dexamethasone shapes this gut immune dynamic. Prachi Virat is here, our microbiology urbanist with a passion for microbiome and bioinformatics, ready to design some insights. Prachi, let's stroll through the city. Prachi, the gut is like a city center for immunity, buzzing with activity. How do gut immune interactions contribute to long COVID? And how does dexamethasone fit in?
Wow, I love the city metaphor, Dr. Shikha. In long COVID, the gut's a key immune hub, but dysbiosis or imbalanced microbes disrupt this balance. A 2024 gut microbe study found 50% of long COVID patients had reduced Faecalibacterium and Bifidobacterium, which produce SCFAs like butyrate that regulate immune cells. This dysbiosis ramp up cytokines like IL-6, fueling somatic inflammation and symptoms like fatigue. Dexamethasone cools this by suppressing cytokine production, with a 2023 Journal of Clinical Investigation study showing a 30% IL-6 reduction in gut-associated lymphoid tissue. But its immunosuppression cuts SCFA producers by 20%, according to a 2024 Ambiome study, weakening the gut's immune defense and potentially prolonged symptoms. It's a delicate balance, calming the storm while risking the city's infrastructure.
That's like calming a city riot but dimming its power grid. With your bioinformatics expertise, how can we optimize dexamethasone's effects on the gut immune axis?
Spot on, Dr. Shikha. Bioinformatics is our city planner, mapping the gut's microbial and immune landscape. Metagenomic sequencing identified dysbiosis patterns like lactobacillus linked to poor dexamethasone response. A 2024 Nature Communication study used machine learning to predict treatment outcomes, finding patients with higher clostridium level had a 40% better symptom relief due to SCFA mediated immune regulation. Metabolomic tracks butyrate levels, guiding probiotic interventions. A 2023 Frontiers in Microbiology study showed Lactobacillus casei restored it SCFA production in 65% of long COVID patients on dexamethasone. This data driven approach ensures we are not just quelling roids but rebuilding the gut's immune infrastructure for lasting health.
Prachi, you have redesigned our scientific cityscape today. Let's map these insights like planning a thriving urban hub. You have shown the gut as long COVID's immune center, disrupted by dysbiosis, with dexamethasone reducing IL-6 by 30% by risking SCFA losses. Bioinformatics is our blueprint guiding precision care. Prachi, what's your key takeaway?
That city metaphors is brilliant, Dr. Shikha. The gut immune axis is long COVID bustling core, and dexamethasone's a traffic controller, easing chaos but needing careful management. Bioinformatics plan the city's future, ensuring microbiome and immunity thrive. We are urbanites in this health metaphor. We are urbanites in this health metaphor. We are urbanites in this health metropolis, building resilience with data.
Well, that concludes today's episode. Thank you so much, Prachi, for sharing valuable insights. And to the listeners, thank you for joining us. If you liked the episode, hit subscribe, share this episode, and join us on social media with our hashtags. Let's keep designing long COVID solutions. Stay curious.